Andoryu and Ukir are the newest members of Navi Indonesia. You know what time it is? Hands in. Parang nahuli pa nga sila sa announcement eh. Kasi diba dati nagkaroon na ng announcement ang Navi, a really big organization that is, I believe, based in Ukraine. I hope I'm right. Maybe I'm wrong. Pero yes, last season nila sa MPLID, it didn't go very well because I believe they were winless. Meron sila na ipanalong isang game pero wala silang na ipanalong match. I think with the recent addition of Andoryu and Ukir, former Smart Omega players, this is a solid move galing sa Navi because this increases their chances dahil sila ang unang Filipino import. And yun naman kadalasan ang mahalaga eh. Andoryu, we saw him get his very first international opportunity as he was part of Virtus Pro. Noong una nga parang iniisip ng mga tao na pwede na nilang kunin si Andoryu right from the get-go eh. Pero syempre may naghihintay pa at stand-in lang naman itong si Andoryu para kay Zaur Egoist, who was originally the jungler ng Virtus Pro but I believe was still underage to participate. Kasi Andoryu yung pumasok. Meanwhile, para naman kay Ukir, ito ang kanyang unang pagkakataon para masalta sa ibang bansa and now for the first time in MPL Indonesia. Madalas kasi natin siya nakikita dati sa mga Filipino teams. Kung wala man siya sa MPL PH, nasa MDL PH siya. But now he's gonna be testing his skills as the newest member ng Navi Indonesia, where he will be added as the latest Filipino imports na ipapadala natin sa ibang bansa.